Hello, dear all. Hope everyone feeling well. So this is our second video today. Today I want to start with the same. Yesterday, as we left our video in between, so today I'm starting my video from there. This is, you can say, as topic number 2. So hope everyone is doing well in his life. So now we will start with excavation. As per yesterday, we were at gate level. How to take the gate level? So I will start again from the gate level. So here is my gate level. This is required. This is mentioned by the this is mentioned in the drawings from the consultant, the drawings which we have received from the consultant while building it. So gate level, mostly the gate level is written here on the gate. The levels are where the gate main entrance is there, levels of the gates are written. So here the gate level is written, which is plus 30 from the road, as I explained in the previous video, which is plus 30 from the road. So plus 30 you have to take from the road. That will be your gate level, and you can call as your 0 level. From there you can see your plinth level. Plinth level will be your ground level or floor finishing level, which you can take from ground floor finishes. So your ground floor level is plus 45, which will be from the gate level. It will be plus 45 from the gate level. Our gate level is plus 30 from the road and plus 45. Plus 45 is the ground floor level. Here you can see the level is mentioned everywhere. Sometimes there are steps, so different level difference is there. So that's the level of this your ground floor level. It will be plus 45. So from now I'll go forward. Like the next step, how you have to do the foundation, you have to do the excavation. For doing the excavation, here our all foundations are marked. According to this, we need first, what we have to do, we have to mark our grid lines. What are the grid lines? Grid lines which is on axis, which are on both axes, y axis and x axis. So here our grid line, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 and till 6 we have grid lines, and the other hand side we have grid lines like written A B C D till I. So first you have to check the drawings. First of all, whenever you are receiving the drawings, you have to cross check the drawings, examine the drawings of architecture and structure. You have to make sure that architecture drawings are properly matching with the structure drawings. For example, if you can see, I'll show you an example here. Grid 1 and grid A, we have a column, and this column is facing in this direction, and grid 1 and grid C, we have another column which is direction on the other side. So the same you have to copy and follow in architecture drawing. You have to go in ground floor. You can see grid 1 and grid A, we have column in the same direction, so it's okay, this is right. And the second column which I just showed you, that is in grid 1 and grid C, which is also in the other direction, but it's correct. That's how you have to check all the columns one by one. So this is one thing, you have to check all the drawings. Simultaneously you have to check the first floor, as well as if roof is there, you have to check roof as well. So now our first step, while starting the work, we need to mark all the grid lines. What are the grid lines? Grid lines are 1 2 3, whatever is written. So in between the grid line there are dimensions, which is 1.85, 2.45, 1.7. so the same dimensions you have to mark it at site. While writing the grid lines, in between you need to measure it and properly and mark properly. For example, one grid line to 2 grid line is 1 meter and 85 centimeters. You have to mark the same at site. Now how to do the excavation? While doing the excavation, what you need to do, you have to mark the grid lines. After the grid lines, you need to check the setbacks. Okay, from where you will get this grid line number 1 and grid line number A or I? You have to go in your architecture drawings. In your architecture drawings, there is a drawings called setting layout. In the setting layout, you will check the setbacks, which is showing, for example, this is number 1 setback, which is 3.95 from the face of boundary wall till your villa, till the face of your villa, which will be your column line. Here 3.45. This is, see, there is a difference in these both two. There's a building, you can see the building projected outside. Same on the other hand side. If you go the other side, there you can see front hand side, you will see it's 9.61 meters is written on the other hand. So you need to mark accordingly while matching both of the drawings, as well as structure and architecture both drawings. According to that, you have to mark the grid lines. Okay, now grid lines are clear. After that, you have to excavate. While excavating, you need to measure the foundations. Let's go in the foundation drawings, footings. Okay, Here you need to excavate. How you will excavate? For example, after one you need to take, after your end of the foundation, for example our foundation which is located here, f4, the column is facing the column, the grid line is facing the column. So from this you have to measure the after the column you need to measure the foundation. Whatever the foundation will come, you need to take around 50-60 centimeter more, or maybe around 1 meter more. So that will be accurate for you for doing a job, for doing whatever the carpentry shutterings are there. You can do it easily, means there will not be any obstacle there. So according to this, you have to what you people all have to take, you have to take the maximum foundation which is going outside. For example, this is the biggest foundation which is going outside, which is 240. You can say as 240, the half of 240 is 120, which will come in between the center of the column. Okay, after the center of the column you have to take 120. Once you take 120, from there you take 60, 70 or maximum 1 meter more for the excavation. Now next question is how to, from where to take excavation depth. So in the structure drawings mostly it's written. If it is not written, then you have to take from the excavation, you have to take from soil investigation report, which is mostly given by the consultant or the soil, all the laboratory which is going to recommend for the same villa. Now here you will come here in the notes, you will see the foundation is designed for G+1+1 roof. This foundation is designed for G ground plus first floor plus roof floor. Now let's go back. The isolated footing depth as per the soil report, which I just informed, that you have to check the soil report, which is 1 meter. So that's 1 meter minus 1 meter. Minus 1 meters means from where, what is your level and from where you will excavate. Question is either you will excavate from 45. No, this is wrong, because this is plus 45, which is floor finishing level. So you need to excavate 1 meter from road or from gate. This is second question. From 0 0 level, which is our gate level, 0 0 level, which is our gate level, or I'll show you 0 0 here 0 0 from gate level or from road level. So our opinion, mostly it is written in the soil investigations report or here in the notes that 1 meter is from asphalt road. If the road is built there, then if the road is built, asphalt road is there, you have to take 1 meter from the asphalt road. If it is from the gate level, then you have to take gate level, which is plus 30 from the road, which you need to mark. First you will mark the main gate level. From that gate level you need to take 1 meter plus 30 centimeter, because you have raised 30 centimeter from the asphalt road. So 1 meter and 30 centimeter from the gate level or from the asphalt road, whatever your benchmark is there, from the asphalt road you have to go 1 meters. Okay, now while excavating 1 meter, you need to understand this section. This section is showing that 1 meter, see, to be decided as per the site, provisional. Okay, the depth, see, here it is written from natural grade level. From natural surface level you have to take 1 meter, or you can take, your benchmark will be your road. If asphalt road is there, from asphalt you need to take 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter you need to take 1 meter plus 10 centimeter for plain cement concrete, which is written here, 10 mm screed, which will be PCC, plain cement concrete. Foundations plus 10, which will be 1.1. Some of the villas in some of the projects, according to soil investigation report, they are showing that road base 25 to 50 mm 250 mm is required. Sometimes because of the soil capacity, they are providing the road base. If road base is there, then for example 25, 50, whatever is required, whatever is mentioned in soil investigation report, according to that you have to do the excavation. Now here our excavation depth will be plus 10 1.1 meters and 10 centimeters. If road base is there, then you have to, whatever the depth, for example the depth of the road base is mentioned in soil investigation reports is 25, so you have to add plus 25 more, so then it will be 1 meter and 35, 10 centimeter for the PCC and 25 centimeter is the road base. Okay, now according to this project we don't have any road base, so what we need to take 1.1 centimeter, 1.10 centimeter is the excavation level. So after excavating this whole area, which I'm mentioning from here till here, this whole area you need to excavate. After excavating this whole area, you have to start next procedures. What are the next procedures? Now next procedures is you need to do the compaction. So I think I should end my video today. For today, this topic is enough. So by tomorrow, we will start another video. We will start from compaction, then we will go to PCC foundations. We'll come back with another topic. That will be topic number 3. So here my videos end. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. I will try and make sure the videos are helpful. Thank you everyone for watching this video.